So, is it still possible to apply for PR without taking IELTS? Ito yung mga caps natin na medyo ayaw mag-IELTS. So, ano yung perspective natin, Miss Mel, dito? Is it possible to apply PR without IELTS or language
Okay,
test?
sagutin natin siya in terms of Canada-wide na program. Definitely, it's a yes. Po pwede. Sa papaanong paraan, family pathway. So kung meron kang asawa dito sa Canada o yung tinatawag nating AFAM pathway, then definitely hindi mo kailangan ng English exam. Pero kung halimbawa ikaw ay may asawa or hindi naman yun yung pathway mo, unfortunately, hindi po pwedeng mawala ang English exam kung PR pathway ang pinag-uusapan natin. So kung PR pathway at ayaw mo mag-English exam, then ang pinakatanging option mo lang is maghanap ka ng mag-i-sponsor sa'yo na magiging asawa mo or commando. Pero hindi yan, hindi yan basta nakahanap ka online ay po pwede ha. Dapat genuine yung inyong relationship.
Yes. Thank you very much for the note, Miss Mel. No? Sa mga caps natin nagpaplano, make sure na genuine yung relationship. Hindi po yung nag-online ka, marketplace lang ang peg. Naghanap lang, no? Gusto ko makapunta ng Canada, nag-post sa Facebook groups, no? Hindi po. So, you need to have a legitimate and genuine relationship. And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success, and also we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community, mga kap. The link is in the description below, or simply type in the comment section access, and I'm going to send directly this link to you, communitycanada.net. Thank you very much, mga kap, and signing out. Maraming salamat, mga kap, and see you here in Canada.